Welcome everybody, welcome viewers and students. Today I have come with a new lesson. It is very interesting also because there are some confusions come when we think about preposition and conjunction. What are the basic differences between preposition and conjunction? So we start the lesson. Here preposition, what is a preposition? Actually preposition is a linking word. That means preposition acts as a bridge to make a relation. This word is very much important because to make a relation. Preposition makes a relation between two parts of sentence, of a single sentence, two part of a single sentence. That means it generally sits just before a noun or pronoun, just before a noun or pronoun or phrases, and make a relation with the other part of the sentence or with the remaining part of the sentence. It is called preposition. So here look at the example. The train is coming from Kolkata. Here if I say the train is coming and we don't say Kolkata from and only say Kolkata. So the train is coming Kolkata. It becomes a senseless. So if we put here from, the train is coming from Kolkata, the sentence expresses its meaning. So here from this word acts two things. Preposition acts in two ways. It's connect, links or connect, and also makes a relation. Here this preposition connects Kolkata, this noun, to the remaining part. That means the train is coming, the remaining part of the sentence. Here preposition connect করছে কলকাতার সঙ্গে বাকি সেন্টেন্সের বাকি অংশ, the train is coming, এই অংশটার সঙ্গে connect করছে from, and it also expresses a relation or a meaning. Here from this expresses a direction. So it is preposition. So preposition, what is preposition? Preposition is linking words that links or connects or joins a sentence, joins a noun or pronoun or phrase or phrases to the remaining part of the sentence. That means a preposition is a connector between words in a single sentence. And it does not act only a connector, but it also acts. It also expresses a meaning, that means a relation. That means three type of meaning or relation it expresses: one, time, position or place, or direction So here the train is coming from Kolkata, here expresses the direction. The second example, the man was sitting under a tree. If I say the man was sitting tree, that does not make a sense. When I put this preposition, the man was sitting under a tree. So here a tree, these words connected with the remaining part of the sentence. That means the man was sitting with the remaining person with the word preposition, and it also expresses a meaning. Under expresses the position or place. Under expresses the position or place. Under expresses a position or place. If I say he reached the station. He reached the station at 4 p.m. He reached the station at 4 p.m. I write here. He reached the station at 4 p.m. Here he reached the station 4 p.m. That does not make a sense. But when I use at, this at acts as a connector. It connects 4 p.m. to with the remaining part of the sentence. He reached the station. So here at expresses a time. Its relation with a time. So it is the preposition. Now we come to the conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins or connects. Also join and connects. Preposition also joins. Conjunction also joins. So what are the differences? What is the basic differences? I am telling you now. I have already explained what is called preposition, and one preposition has two purposes. One is connects or linking purpose or connecting purpose or joining purpose, and the other it expresses a relation. But the conjunction, only purpose of the conjunction is to join, is to joining. What parts of joins? A conjunction joins words, clauses or phrases or sentences. A conjunction joins words, clauses, phrases or sentences. It acts only joins. It does not express a meaning. Here, I like to play football and cricket. Here and is the conjunction. Here, football and cricket. I like to play football. I like to play cricket. These things, football and cricket, are joined with the conjunction and. So here, and does not express any relation. Here, and only joins to words. Next, the elephant is large, but its tail is small. Here, if I say the elephant is large, it's a sentence, and its tail is small, it's also a sentence. So here, but this conjunction joins two sentences. The elephant is large, but its tail is small. So here, but only joins two sentences. It does not express any other meaning. And the last sentence is here, he did not come since he was ill. Since means here as or because. As or because. Because oblique for, comma. If you put comma and for, it expresses because. Now look here on example, we have been watching TV since 7 p.m. Here since 7 p.m. since joins 7 p.m. With the other part, remaining part of the sentence, we have been watching TV and 7 p.m. are joined with the word since. Here since expresses here since is used as a preposition because it joins a noun with the remaining part of the sentence, and it also serves the purposes of, it expresses a relation, it expresses a time, it expresses a time. But here, now look here, he did not come since he was ill. He did not come since, it also joins he did not come with the remaining part of the sentence, he was ill. So here these two sentences are joined with the word since. Here since only joins the two sentences. It does not express a meaning. So here lies the basic difference between preposition and a conjunction. You must remember it. It's a very important thing. What is a preposition? What is a conjunction? What are the differences? What is the basic difference between preposition and conjunction? Preposition is a connector. Conjunction, on the other hand, conjunction is also a connector. Preposition connects a word or phrase or noun or pronoun or phrase to the remaining part of the sentence, with the remaining part of the sentence within a sentence. That means it always sits inside a single sentence. But on the other hand, conjunction joins words or clauses or phrases or sentences. The basic difference is that the preposition serves two purpose. It also as a connector, it joins, and as well as it also expresses a relation. That means it expresses three types of relations. What are they? Their time, position or place or direction. But conjunction only joins, it does not serve any other purpose. So it is the end of this class. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share my channel, and also write comments, and don't forget to press the bell icon